all discussing, and also we have a setup to play next week. I think we're already on the new week, and we are all preparing for what price currently, right? We are all preparing for price. So what are you seeing currently, right? So we are actually on the daily time frame on euro dollar, and we are operating something nice. First of all, I want to talk more on when price has changed bias structure. We all know the structure, and we all study structure, but basically we all study candle. We can move to the monthly time frame to predict what is going to happen in the next 4 to 5 weeks, right? So in the process of studying structure, why in the process of trading candle, why should I study structure, since I already know what is going to happen? What is liquidity? Where is price running to, right? What is drawing price? Because the most important thing we all need to know is what the draw on liquidity door. This one, that's one thing you need to know. Draw on liquidity, that's the most important thing in CRT, because without this, your trading pattern, if you don't know your draw on liquidity, that means your trading pattern as well. So first of all, we have this on the monthly time frame, and this can give us a prediction if we could switch to the weekly time frame. So now look, let's check out something nice. We have a rate of this high, which is a short-term door, right? So once this candle close inside the range, there's a week to previous monthly high, then we expect next month to give us what? An open, high, low, close, which we now have a long-term draw towards the opposite of the candle of what? The draw on liquidity. We have long-term draw and short-term draw. Long-term doll and short-term doll. So this is a short-term doll and this is a long-term doll, because we are now running price towards this previous candle low. Hope you understand. Second, we have this gap here also. Fair value gaps as well as also in such way draw on liquidity. They are also attracting price. Now, what is now attracting price? Are you trying to tell us that we are going to sell this candle, the next candle? If the next candle could give us at least a closure below this candle, then definitely we might be dumping or any. But we must look for a certain key level to sell and also to buy. So if you could check the weekly time frame, you notice we have a very nice CRT. Look at the CRT here with a key level. Remember, I told you we have 3 to 4 types of key level. We have the fair value gap, right? The swing high and the swing low, and also the block. Just use this 4 key levels. Don't go below or above it. Keep using them. They are really good and really nice in reactions. So we have this old high, which is an old high, old low, also key level, right? Price start on the key level and what close inside the range. Look at the accumulation candle manipulated. This can now push the previous, that is the accumulation candle high and close inside the range. So what are we expecting? We're expecting what? A distribution to the low. So now, where is our target? We are now targeting about 50% of this range, which is number one thing you need to understand. 50% of the range is your first target, and your second target should be the 100%, right? So secondly, we are already on a sell on this, right? So we are already done predicting this euro dollar. So on the daily time frame, right? On the daily time frame, we have a lot of liquidity, which price need to be filled. First of all, I mostly talk more on what internal, external, what the hell. So we have a lot of liquidity that price might likely react from. It's either price clear them or react from them to draw price to an extreme, to an extreme. So we have how many key level here? We have up to 2 key level, right? We have this one here, which is the fair value gap. Let me draw it so you can see clearly. Right, so we are now expecting price to retrace. If we could use our fib, let's use the fib from this high to this high, because this is now okay. Oh my god. Okay, we are now trying to take a trade inside the 50% of this the range. That is not the equilibrium but inside. So definitely price might definitely fry from this discount to premium, right? So we will be taking our trade in this gap. That means Monday will likely buy, Tuesday will likely manipulate, and Wednesday might dump. So just choose one. So we are likely going to be taking our trades from this gap. This is what we're looking for, what candle range with time. We will stop with time here to make our stop loss small and our TP. You know what I mean? So we are done with Euro USD. So now what's our next pair, which is what GBP USD. Let's go down to GBP USD. Let's go down to the weekly time frame first of all. So on the weekly time frame, we have liquidity. We have an equal lows, which is now our draw on liquidity. Remember, equal lows are also nice. We also have an SMT. Remember SMT with euro dollar. We have an SMT with euro dollar. So euro read the high, but GBP didn't read the high. So we call it an SMT. Let me show you. Euro USD. So you could check euro read the high, which is a swing high, as a key level 1, 2. Rate the high. Why GBP USD, not XAU, GBP USD didn't rate the high, but they are all sales confirmation. So GBP USD decided to use this as a sell rejection block, right? Whenever price reaches a certain high, then let's say we have a two correlated pair that move in the same direction in time. Then if let's say euro rate the high, a certain high, GBP couldn't rate the high, then GBP reacted on a key level, which is the rejection block, and euro reacted on the high of the old high. An old high. Let me not go too deep. We are not actually focusing on that, but first of all, if you could check it out, we close inside, and also we thought to this candle confirming the sales. So we are absolutely dumping as well. We're absolutely dumping. So if you could go down to the daily time frame, euro has been nice as well. Rate this swing low, right? Look at this low here. This low here as a key level. Don't forget, this is a key level, right? So this is where we were looking for SMT. We were looking for SMT here. Once price get to a certain key level, we were looking for SMT here inside these gaps, also correlated with DXY. So now currently we have this, which is ongoing, and also we have a low, which is now target. This equal lows as our target. So we are now expecting price to retrace back to either liquidity gap or any of this. You know what I mean? These gaps are areas where price will likely retreat back to, right? We have a gap above, we have a gap above, we have a gap here. So choose one and look for entry, but wait for Monday to open. Then Tuesday we look for trades, entries, stops, and targets with time, with key time as well. So DXY, if you could check the monthly time frame, same align with euro dollar. So DXY, we have something nice on DXY. Very, very nice. We have two draw on liquidity. Price rate this low, right? Rate the low, and now we have a target of this high, right? And we also have an extreme liquidity above, which is now our next target, major target. So now we have only 2 days to close. Let me say this candle for it to close all pairs: GBP USD, Euro USD DXY. We only have 2 days for the candle to close to confirm what this. So if this candle, if this manipulation candle close, then definitely price will what reach the high, which is next month candle. It will be fast. It will be very, very fast, right? Distribution candle are mostly very, very fast, so just stick with distribution candle. If you don't know how to trade the second candle, then stick with distribution candle. So if you could check the weekly time frame, is really nice. You could check it out, look at it. We have two what draw on liquidity, which is the low and also the highs. These are areas where price will definitely draw to, right? So our key level is now what? This old low. It's now a key level that varies us to buy this pair. So accumulation range a lot manipulated and now trying to distribute to the high. So we have to draw liquidity 1 2. Now if you could check the time frame, you notice that price has given us has confirmed itself already. The daily time frame is already moving as fast as as expected. It's now moving as fast. The candle that read the low and the low was this very down close candle, so we use this as our key level. Price tapped on it, give us a turtle body soup and start flying. So we are now expecting price to retrace back into this gaps to look for more buying opportunity. And also we have a trap of the smart money traders. Smart money traders now will be looking for sells here. Hope you understand. Smart money traders will be definitely looking for sells around here. They will set their sell limit because we have liquidity here as well. Liquidity, right? Everyone is already active to sell this. We have liquidity, SMC, trading, and that is where we are going to be. That is where we are actually looking out for as our TP. So price will definitely give them some reactions, giving them change the state of delivery, which is a fake one, and wire them up. Let me see that an idiot that would definitely tell me that I should be looking for sales on this. I would definitely slap the hell out of him. The shit out of him. So this is what we'll be looking for next week. This week we are looking for more of buys on DXY. We have extreme tall. This is called current door. This one is close and this one is more far. So the buy alone is much faster. So just keep looking for buy. Don't even look for sales. Just keep looking for buys. So gold, currently we are absolutely still on gold. Gold has been giving us a nice trade, nice move. The drop was really crazy, but definitely TPs all are short, right? CRT on gold is really nice. So price coming back to a certain key level, trying to push higher. So our dollar is now this high. This is now drawn liquidity. So we are now waiting for price to push to this high. Then we look for we hit TP. So we are currently on this trade. We are still holding the trade. We are waiting for price to hit the high. We took the 50% of the trade and we are now currently running for the next take profit, which is the 100%. We are nearly close. I didn't we hit TP, then I will just record it. You guys can see it, hit take profit and whatever I call it. I call this trade live and most of us took it and it is really nice. So what else do we have? I think we already planned ourselves, and which will be really nice. We already planned to sell this pair. Takes a lot of time, patience, and also consistency. Just take trades here. So thank you guys. Hope you watched this video. Kindly remember not to just watch and go. Give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this new channel. It's actually new channel and it's really branded new channel as well. So kindly subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment if you really understand it, and it's fine. We'll keep dropping more updates here. Thank you.